Rama, they're down that way.
It's a beautiful specimen. Shall I get out my binoculars? Take a closer look.
Oh, there it is. There's the guy. Yeah, no, antelopes are only in prairies. Yeah, he's still moving. Oh shit, they saved me. Does the person know we see them? Oh shit.
Oh my shit. He knows.
Actually, I should bring my
There's
saw here.
two coming. I hit him a different direction.
Oh fuck, oh fuck. Oh shit, it's someone. You're almost hitting him. Oh shit, look out. What? Oh, get down. Get down.
Thank you.
I think there's two of them. Yeah, one of them's sticking out right now. Yeah, get down, get down. Do you not see him?
No,
I've got a perfect view on him. That's tree right there. Keep your head up. Ramo!
What's wrong?
I think I hit.
I gotta wait 2 minutes.
Ah! Colin! You got me in the neck.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Ah,
It didn't hurt at all.
Yeah, you got me in the head.
Ah!
Headshot. I'm hit.
Fuck. Colin, we're hit. It got me in the collar of my shirt. It didn't hurt at all.
You got me scorched in the head.
Ah! You punk ass bitch. I'll fucking kill you. Ah! Ah! It's
You'll be
okay.
okay, Jason.
It's okay. Ah!
You'll be okay, buddy.
Ah!
I promise. You're gonna be alright.
Callan! Callan, did you hear me?
You're the coffee farmer. We're already dead. It's alright, Jason. It's alright.
Callan! You son of a bitch! Callan!
Good times.
Callan!
We're all dead. See, we all gotta wait 5 minutes.
That was 2 minutes.
Alright.
2 minutes?
2 minutes for medic. After that 2 minutes, then you can be picked up, then it's 5 minutes after that. If you weren't picked up, so you gotta wait 5.
But didn't you pick me up? Or are you not a do you have to be a certified medic?
What?
Did you just get hit in the face 30 times? Because it sounded like it just hit your mask. Like it said like I hit her goggles like 3 fucking
No,
times.
it's 2 minutes to be picked up, I think, and then 5 minutes if you
But you picked me up right before you got hit.
No, you got it after 2 minutes to be picked up.
Oh. So now we gotta wait 5 minutes.
Yep.
Fucking A.
What? Repeat me again. It was not smart for you. No, it's like 2020.
Hindsight 2020, future not as clear. That's a rap song. Aye. I see the light, but it's being blocked by your fat ass. I have to pee. Oh, it's from the song No Mercy by T.I. That's what I was singing. Colin, I said, Ramos said hindsight 2020, and then I said hindsight 2020, future not as clear. And I'm like, what song is that from? And then I just figured it out. It's from T.I.'s song No Mercy.
We're dead here. You don't have to. No, please don't shoot us. We're already dead. Just know it.
Ah.
The 3 guys behind the barrels are hit.
Callan, where are you, Callan?
Come on, dude.
Callan! Are you there, Callan? I love you.
Hey, we're hit. We're going back to spawn. Yeah, we're going back to respawn.
Fucking Christ. They're all over there, like a lot of them, so. A lot. Oh, goddamn. Them metric shit, Colin, I figured out last night that a marathon, 21.2 miles, is equivalent to like 34 meters. Kilometers. So, you now know that.
We announced them that we're hit twice.
I don't care, Airsoft doesn't hurt anymore. Mainly also because it's cold and we're wearing a lot of gear.
Well, I think I went to the hand and went to the balls. Yeah, the two most vulnerable places in my body.
Oh no, take a BB to the balls in the indoor arena from like 5 feet away.
Take it, BB, in the tip of your dick.
Oh no, this guy, Colin, you don't understand. Okay, Colin, you know when you go into the indoor arena, like let's say you just walked out of the staging area, and you look to your left, you know that big building right before the church? So, I was in the wall closest to the staging area, and I was about in the middle of it. A guy came from the other side of it, so he was literally 5 feet away from me and shot me right in the ball sack. And I was on the ground. I was laughing though. I thought it was funny. I could take it. I just fell on the ground. I was like, ah. Good donuts. I was allowed to go. Yeah. I got shot in the collar right here. It like kind of went like that, so I was going. In their defense, we don't kill rags, so. What did the white rags do?
That's like. No.
Yeah, I've never heard of that. We're playing as take the goalies in reverse. It's only like 3 o'clock and the sun's going down. What? Get her. Down there. Hey. Thank you, Romulus. America!
We're marching into it.
Yeah, but we're gonna die.
M-I-C.
Yeah, a lot of them died too.
Game.
Right there. Oh, just right there? Alright. Come back.
What?
You saw Full Metal Jacket, right? You saw Full Metal Jacket, right?
Okay.
You saw Full Metal Jacket, right? Remember at the end when they're marching and they're singing Mickey Mouse? M-I-C-K, M-O-U-I-C, Mickey Mouse.
Where are you from? Texas. What is it?
Texas, only 2 things come out of Texas, that's steers and queers. You don't look much like a steer, so that really narrows it down now, doesn't it? Sorry, yes, sir. Are you a Peter Piper? Sir, no, sir. Bullshit, I bet you could suck a golf ball through a coffee cup.
They have to catch building 1 or else none of them what they've done so far counts. Just hold down 1, 2.
Go back down there.
Hey, there's a pretty good firefight down there. It's fucking awesome.
Are we winning?
That's where we died.
Same position.
We winning or is it?
Yeah, that's where we died.
Yeah, they're down there.
Fuck. Can't fit. Ramo, next time we come, I'm gonna bring my 249. Next time we come, I'm gonna bring my 249. Cause there's a lot of good spots I could set up in, and I really wish I brought it.